So doctor, this is your lab.
Well, it's one of our labs here, and we have a few experiments here. Just behind me, this is a unit of membrane filtration. So this is for landfill leachates. Over there we have an experiment on water tanks for airplanes. So this is for the big Airbus 380. And there is a lot of water to be taken because sometimes they are in the air 24 hours with 600, 700 people. And so they need a lot of water, so the water supply systems are an issue. So there's research on materials and durability of the materials. And then
do they treat water?
No, they get clean water on board, but the issue is to keep it clean in the system so that there is not bacteria growing in the system.
What kind of tests do you do here?
Well, the microbiological tests, if there are pathogens formed, the behavior of different materials, if there is scaling, so if there is some stuff on the surface and so on. So that's what is done there.
Can I still drink water from airplanes?
Well, it's not advisable to drink. It's not drinking water actually,
okay,
what comes out of the taps there, because the lines are very long. You know, the airplane from beginning to end is very long. And so the lines are long, the water is in there, so that's not really drinking water, but it's safe for drinking, but not drinking water, because for drinking we better take the bottled water.
What is that, doctor?
Well, this is a toilet that is recycling its own flush water. So for toilets we have a lot of water demand, and this is diluting all the nutrients. So we eat the food that comes from the land and we put it into the toilet, and normally it disappears to the water cycle. So the human nutrient cycle is broken. We eat from the land, but we shit into the water. And what we want to do is to make toilets that produce fertilizer again and do not harm the waters, the rivers and the seas. And so this toilet was developed by Ulrich Braun, and he has invented the idea of the flush water will be treated, and this is the treatment unit actually. We have toilets up there that are also used by people from the institute, and this wastewater is treated here, and it made so clean that it's used as flush water again.
You just reuse it and put it there again?
It's used and used again with membranes. It's very clean. It's also hygienically safe, but it has a lot of nutrients, so it's very salty. And this stuff is then taken out to produce fertilizer.